Welcome, this is Pepres creation. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a flower, and we are going to attach into a headband. The items we are going to use, we have our scuba material, our glue gun and glue stick, our tape measure, our scissors, pen, thread and needle, my bowl. The bowl, I'm using it as a round object. I'll use it in cutting out the fabric. My round paper, this one is stiff. You can either use a breast pad or a stiff. And we have our pieces of foam. You can use fiber material or foam. I'm using the foam. Let's get started. We are coming to cut out our material. This one we are using it as the hairband, and later we will cut the round pieces which we are going to use it as the flower. I'm using 9 inches and the whole length of the material, that's supposed to be around 30. Yeah, it's 30. So I'm using 9 inches by 30. I'm coming to cut it out. We are done cutting out the fabric for the hairband. We are going to cut out the object for the flower. So we are coming to cut out as many as we can. Then I'm also going to sew the edges together and turn them inside out and fill it with the foam. We are done sewing our fabric. We will turn it inside out, and we are done cutting our round fabric. That's what we are going to use for the flower. At this point, we will turn our fabric inside out. See, I didn't sew the two ends. That's why after failing, I will use it and tack in. So I'm done filling. I'll go ahead and do my flower. With the flower, we are going to do 3 circles. This is the middle. I'll use my tape measure. So from the circle to the end is almost 2/4 inch. So based on my description, I'll do the first one on the 2 inch, the second one on the 1.5, and the third one on the 1 inch. So I'll just go ahead and do some raw. So there's 1, 2, 3. So I'll be attaching my round fabric on the circles. I'll do the first one on the first circle, skip the second one, and then go ahead to the third circles. Remember that the fabric should all go on one direction. If you are going this way, it should all go this way. If you are going this way, it should all go this way. You just have to tag them to the fabric. We are done with the first circle, so we are now coming to do the inner circle. It's the same thing we are going to do. So we are going to go all around, then we will be done. Our flower is ready. I see the back look a little bit nasty, so I want to cover it up with my pad. I'm also done filling my hairband. I'll then go ahead and secure the 2 ends together. I'm securing my hairband with my thread and then my needle. We are done tacking the two edges together. I'll cut my thread and then tie it. I will just cover the base with my glue so that it will be neat. Then I will fix it at the back where I tie the rope. You fix it at the back, and hairband is ready. We will allow it to dry. That's the glue. Allow it to dry up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.